What's up, guys, and good afternoon. So today we got some snacks for the Evo. Look at these snacks. So we got a rear end link, we got the front end link for the Evo. Look, they came in these little baggies, look like little snacks. But so today we're gonna put those on because the other day I have noticed, let me see if I can get under here. Where are you guys at? Oh, it's over here. It is. The nut came out. So I ended up, well, I was due for these anyway, so bought them and now we're about to put them on right now, so let's get to it. Alright, so now that the tire's off, I can actually get access to the end link, which is right there behind the coil wall. All I need is the nut, actually. So over here, it would be this nut. Trying to get an angle. Alright, so got it loose. Alright, cool. So got the end link off. Stock end link. Now let's go get the new one. Alright, so now we're gonna grab these, open these up. Wow. Alright, cool. Open. It's a Ziploc bag. Like what is this? I guess if you wanna put these back in and keep them fresh, you could do that. Oh, we got instructions and some washers. So, lock nuts, minimum 10 millimeters. Alright, looks good to me. So I'm gonna grab one, take off the protective cover. And let's go put her on. Alright, so before we actually put on the end link, we're gonna throw some thread locker on it, some blue. I think it thread meets right. That's all you need, just a little bit. And now we're gonna put it in. Alright, so I realized for this end link, you need to have, you need to have an Allen key to hold this screw so this doesn't actually spin while you're tightening it. So I went and got that, and now we're really about to put it in. So that's all in, and now we have to put this in this side. Alright, so I have mine set in the middle. Right now it is too long and we have to have the car sitting on the ground in order to put that in, or it won't be right. So I'm about to throw the wheel back in or on and lower the car, and then we'll get the right height and we can screw it in from there. So let's do it. So I got to go back on, lower the vehicle. So now we just have to get this set up right, the length right. Let me see if I can centralize it. And that's one side done. So, gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then that'll be it. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video. So we only got to put on the rears today, so I'm kind of sad, but it's okay because it's gonna be another day to put on the front. So it's gonna be soon too. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and that's a wrap.